Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start from question number 4, chapter number 3, section number 1. Explain the importance of carbon dioxide for our planet. In its answer, we will describe the importance of carbon dioxide for our planet. Now open page number 32. Its answer starts from this line. Carbon dioxide is present only in minute quantities, but it is nevertheless an important constituent of air. Carbon dioxide is present only in less quantities. In spite of this, it is an important component of air. It is a good absorber of heat and plays the main role in the heating of the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is a good absorber of heat that helps to trap the heat in the atmosphere. An increase in its quantity in the atmosphere takes place through industrial pollution and the burning of fossil fuels, natural gas, petroleum, and coal. An increase in the quantity of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is due to industrial pollution and the burning of fossil fuels. The answer of question number 4 will start from carbon dioxide is present only and it will end at the atmosphere. Let's see question number 5. How is the atmosphere divided on the basis of temperature? In its answer, we will describe the division of atmosphere on the basis of temperature. Now open page number 33. The answer of question number 5 starts from this line. The atmosphere has been divided into 4 layers according to temperature. According to temperature, the atmosphere is divided into 4 layers. These are the troposphere, the stratosphere, the mesosphere and the thermosphere. The first one is the troposphere. The troposphere is the lower layer in which we live. This is the troposphere and this is the lower layer where the temperature decreases with an increase in height. Troposphere में क्या होता है? Temperature decrease करता है जब height increase करती है. The thickness of the troposphere is not the same everywhere. It varies with latitude and the season. The thickness of troposphere is not same. It becomes change according to latitude and the season. It is said the troposphere is thicker in the summer and thinner in the winter. On average, the temperature drop continues to a height of about 12 kilometers. 12 kilometers की height तक क्या होता रहता है? Temperature decrease. The troposphere is very important layer for the Earth's surface. The troposphere is very important layer for the Earth's surface. Why? Because all the atmospheric processes take place in the troposphere. Which kind of atmospheric processes? The formation of clouds, the generation of wind and storms, etc. The troposphere constitutes the major part of the atmosphere by volume. The troposphere consists of the major part of the atmosphere according to volume. In the answer of question number 5, you will write about the troposphere from this line. The troposphere is the lower layer and it will end at about 12 kilometers. Now the next one is the stratosphere. The layer immediately above the troposphere is called the stratosphere. The layer which is above the troposphere is called the stratosphere. This layer is different from the troposphere. Stratosphere क्या होती है? Different होती है troposphere से. Because the temperature pattern is the opposite. The temperature increases with increasing height. Stratosphere में क्या होता है? Temperature increase करता है जब height increase करती है. Troposphere में क्या होता था? Temperature decrease करता था जब height increase करती थी. The upper limit of this layer is up to 50 kilometers. The stratosphere is the layer where ozone, the protective layer that shields life on Earth from sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation forms. Stratosphere में क्या होती है? Ozone, जो हमें सूरज की नुकसानदेह अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशन से महफूज रखती है. This is the layer where jet planes fly. Stratosphere वो लेयर है जहाँ पे jet planes क्या करते हैं? Fly करते हैं. In the answer of question number 5, you will write about the stratosphere from this line. The layer immediately above and it will end at 50 kilometers. Now the next one is the mesosphere. The third layer is called the mesosphere. The third layer of the atmosphere is called the mesosphere. It extends from 50 to 80 kilometer above the Earth's surface. ये ज़मीन से कितनी बुलंदी पे होती है? 50 to 80 kilometers. In this layer, the temperature again decreases विद इंक्रीजिंग आल्टीट्यूड। इस लेयर में क्या होता है, टेम्परेचर दोबारा से गिरने लगता है जब हाइट इंक्रीज करती है। दिस इज़ द लेयर वेयर द मीटियोर्स फॉलिंग टू अर्थ बर्न अप leaving fiery trails in the sky. This is the layer where meteors falling to earth burn up. What is meteors? A meteor is a space rock that hits the atmosphere of the earth. It is known as shooting stars. They leave bright streaks of light across the sky. In the answer of question number 5, you will write about the mesosphere from this line. The third layer is called, and it will end at increasing altitude. The thermosphere. Beyond 80 kilometers, the topmost layer is called the thermosphere. Above 80 kilometers, the topmost layer is called the thermosphere. This layer contains only a tiny mass of atmosphere. In this layer, the temperature again rises. In the thermosphere, the temperature again rises. Temperature दोबारा से क्या करने लगता है? Increase. Its exact height is not known, but approximately 10,000 kilometers is considered to be the upper limit. इसकी एग्जैक्ट हाइट कितनी है इसके बारे में तो नहीं बताया जा सकता, लेकिन क्या कंसिडर किया जाता है कि इसकी हाइट की अपर लिमिट जो है वो तकरीबन 10,000 किलोमीटर्स है। द टेम्परेचर इज़ अ वेरी हाई इन दिस लेयर। इस लेयर में क्या होता है, टेम्परेचर बहुत ज़्यादा हाई। इट कॉन्टीन्यूज़ टू राइज अप टू 1000 सेंटीग्रेड। टेम्परेचर कॉन्टीन्यूज़ टू राइज अप टू 1000 सेंटीग्रेड। In the answer of question number 5, you will write about the thermosphere from this line beyond 80 kilometers and it will end again rises. फिर उसके बाद आपने कहाँ से लिखना है, the temperature is very high से लेके 1000 सेंटीग्रेड तक। Let's see next question. Select the correct words to complete the sentences. Gases, dash and dust particles are the components of the atmosphere. Option A, water vapor. Option B, ash. Option C, soil. Option D, stone. Correct option is water vapor. Oxygen and nitrogen constitute about dash% of the volume of clean dry air. Option A 10, option B 50, option C 70, option D 99. Correct option is 99. The proportion of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is dash% by volume. Option A 5, option B 30, option C 0.0325, option D 0.93. Correct option is 0.0325. The proportion of nitrogen in the atmosphere is dash by volume. Option A 78.084, option B 65.96, option C 89.084, option D 0.0325. Correct option is 78.084. Jets fly in the dash. Option A troposphere, option B stratosphere, option C thermosphere, option D mesosphere. Correct option is stratosphere. We see shooting stars in the dash. Option A troposphere, option B stratosphere, option C thermosphere, option D mesosphere. Correct option is mesosphere. I hope you will be understand. Allah Hafiz.